Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on location services for your photos on your iPhone. This feature is great for keeping track of where your memories were captured. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why you might want to enable location services for your photos. By allowing your iPhone to tag your photos with location data, you can easily find them later and creating memory maps in your Photos app. It's a great way to relive your adventures. Start by unlocking your iPhone and tapping on the Settings app. Now scroll down and select Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services at the top of the menu. Make sure that location services are turned on. Now scroll down until you find the Camera app. Tap on it to access its location settings. Here you'll see options for location access. Select while using the app to allow the camera app to access your location when you're taking photos. Next, let's ensure that your Photos app is set to display location data. Open Photos app, select a certain photo. Now tap on the info and check if location details are showing or not. And that's it, you've successfully turned on location services for your photos on your iPhone. Now you can enjoy tracking your memories by location. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.